Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage video output settings like HDR, resolution and many more. Firstly, let's go to settings and now go to screen and video. Enter video output and now you can check your current video output signal. You can adjust resolution, test resolution, enable VRR function, enable 120 Hz output between off and automatic. You can enable auto low latency mode, 4K video transfer rate. You can enable HDR, you can adjust HDR, you can change deep color output mode and change RGB range mode. In the end you can manage display area, change dim screen while in active mode between 5 and 30 minutes, and in the end you can change Blu-ray disc region code, language, for menu, audio, subtitles, and you can enable or disable allow internet connection for Blu-ray disc live and clear Blu-ray disc data. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.